Deepa Dhakes, NEET Biology, and in today's session we are going to study about nodal tissue, and along with nodal tissue we study what is the importance of nodal tissue and what is the exact position of nodal tissue in the right auricle as well as on the auriculoventricular septum. So stay connected with channel. And now let's begin with the nodal tissue. In previous session we already completed about the structure of heart. So all of you clearly know the human heart is four chambered and the upper chambers are called as atria or auricle and lower chambers are called as ventricle. So when we study about the nodal tissue, so mainly you remember the septums, that is transverse septum and longitudinal septum, as well as you remember the right auricle, because the nodal tissue is predominantly located in right auricle of the heart. Now first we see what is nodal tissue. When nodal tissue we study, so you remember here a human being show the myogenic heart, and because the heart is myogenic, it is consist of special group of cardiac muscle. So the cardiac musculature, special cardiac musculature you remember, which responsible for the heartbeat, or we can say responsible for the diastole and systole. That musculature is predominantly called as nodal tissue. So this thing you remember, the tissue, cardiac tissue or cardiac musculature, which having a power to generate action potential, that is called as a nodal tissue. Now how many type of nodal tissue or what are the nodal tissues are present? When we study about nodal tissue, so here you remember the first nodal tissue is commonly called as SAN, or it is called as sino-auricular or atrial node, or in short it is called as SAN. The second is called as AVN, that is atrioventricular node or nodal tissue, we can say. Simply we are saying atrioventricular node. So these are the two nodal tissue. Both these nodes, SAN and AVN, you remember they are present in right auricle, and even in right auricle what is the exact position that we study along with the diagram. So SAN and AVN you remember they are present in right auricle. Now when we come towards the another kind of tissue, so here you remember commonly it is called as bundle of His. So you remember bundle of His is a third kind of nodal tissue which is predominantly present in ventricle, and this bundle of His is made up of AV bundle, that is left AV bundle and right AV bundle, as well as you remember it is consist of Purkinje fiber. So when we study, so left and right both AV bundle as well as Purkinje fiber, these are present in the musculature of wall of ventricle and responsible for the formation of bundle of His. So bundle of His you remember, bundle of His is responsible for the action potential, mainly in ventricle. So in both ventricle you remember, here we are not going to use a right or left ventricle, they are present in both the ventricles. So simply you remember ventricle. Now first we come towards the sinoatrial node. When we study about the sinoatrial node, so one most important thing you remember, the sino-auricular node or sinoatrial node. What is the position? The sinoatrial node is present in right, important this you remember very well, right upper corner of right auricle In 1 minute, SAN has a capacity to produce a action potential for 70 to 75 times, but generally on an average we say the heartbeat is for 72 times. So generally SAN in average 72 times generate action potential, and normally if you go through the NCERT, so 75 times it provided. So SAN, you remember, it responsible for generate or development of action potential. That means the SAN or the musculature which is present in the form of SAN has the potential to generate a action potential or systolic condition, and the heartbeat begins. So action potential is it generate for 75 times per minute. So 75 times per minute, you remember. Secondly, pacemaker we are using, most important. SA node is called as pacemaker. Why it is called pacemaker? Because the conduction of heartbeat is under control or take place by the SA node. So SA node, again you remember, SA node is called as natural pacemaker, and that's why if you go through the last year question paper, so you find one question that in which part of the heart or in which of the following artificial pacemaker is transplanted. Artificial pacemaker, you remember, is used in right auricle or it is applied at the SA node. So that part you remember. So this is all for the SAN or sinoatrial node, that is it present in right upper corner of the right auricle or right atrium. It generates the action potential generally 75 times per minute, but on an average it generates for a 72 times. And secondly, SA node is also called as a natural pacemaker. Now we come towards the AV node or atrioventricular node. When we come towards the atrioventricular node, so AV node, you remember what is the position of AVN. If we go for the position of AVN, so it also present in right auricle, but in right auricle it located in lower left corner, that is on atrioventricular septum. So this part you remember very well. Atrioventricular septum, as in last session we already studied, the transverse septum of the heart is called as atrioventricular septum. The students who are new today और आज से जिन्होंने ज्वाइन किया है, they can go through the link which is provided above and you can go through the where the septums and where the important valves are present in heart. So atrioventricular septum, so the AVN is located on atrioventricular septum as well as it located in lower left corner of the right auricle. Now from this AVN bundle or from the AVN, one bundle is developed. That bundle is called as atrioventricular bundle. This bundle, you remember, this bundle crosses the transverse septum with diagram. One time we again study this. So this AV bundle crosses the transverse septum and immediately at the top of interventricular septum, that is a longitudinal septum present in ventricles. At the top of interventricular septum, this AV bundle divided into two. It divides into right AV bundle as well as it divides into left AV bundle. So this part you remember. The right AV bundle provided the impulse for action potential or resting potential in right ventricle, and left AV bundle responsible for the action potential in left ventricle. From both the AV bundles, again the Purkinje fibers are developed, and these Purkinje fibers are distributed throughout the musculature of ventricle. So Purkinje fibers, you remember, they are generated from the left and right AV bundle. Now both left and right AV bundle as well as Purkinje fiber, you remember, they are combinedly called as bundle of S. So actually when we study about the AV bundle, so AV bundle next continue in form of Purkinje fiber, and along with Purkinje fiber, the structure or the musculature is called as bundle of his. So these are the position. Now we come towards the diagram section. So with the help of diagram, you recall all these things in very easy form. So now let's begin with the diagram. So now we come towards the diagrams. So here simple diagram we draw for the explanation of nodal tissues. These are the auricles and ventricles. Secondly, the heart wall. As already we all these structures studied in last class, and now in this session we only discuss about the nodal tissue. So now when we study about the nodal tissue, here I am not making any diagram or position for the pulmonary artery, vena cava or aorta, because all the things we are already know, and if we are making those structures, so again the diagram is quite complicated for you students. So here this is a right auricle, this is left auricle, this become right ventricle, and now you are knowing this is the left ventricle. Now when we study about the nodal tissue, first nodal tissue we are saying sino-auricular node or sinoatrial node. So this sinoatrial node, you remember, it is located in right auricle, and right auricle, upper right corner of the right auricle, you remember. So this is called as sino-auricular node, or as we already mentioned, it is called as natural pacemaker of the heart, because the heartbeat is generated or action potential is generated with the help of sino-auricular node or atrial node. Now this is the transverse septum, as we already studied, and this transverse septum is called as atrioventricular septum. Here bicuspid valves are present, and here we study tricuspid valves are present. Clear? So this is the transverse septum, and at this transverse septum the another tissue is located, or another nodal tissue is present. This nodal tissue is slightly present towards the left side of the right auricle, as well as it located upon the or located on the transverse septum. So the AV node, you remember, AVN हम short में लिख रहे हैं, that is atrioventricular node. So AV node, you remember, it is located on the transverse septum, or transverse septum is called as atrioventricular septum. Okay, now the AV node, from AV node one bundle of cardiac tissue or cardiac muscle is developed. This bundle is called as atrioventricular bundle or AV bundle. Now this bundle, this is the longitudinal septum, and through this longitudinal septum, you remember, both the ventricles get separated. This longitudinal septum is called as interventricular septum, and at the top of this interventricular septum, this AV bundle is divided into two halves, that is the left AV bundle and right AV bundle. So these are the left AV bundle and right AV bundle. So I am not mentioning here, I am simply here writing left AV bundle. In the same way, the right AV bundle is also there. Both the AV bundles are responsible for the impulse of contraction or impulse of relaxation in respective ventricle, that is left ventricle as well as right ventricle. From this AV bundle, the special fibers are developed. These fibers are called as Purkinje fiber, and these fibers are distributed throughout the musculature of the ventricle, and because of that you remember the ventricles, the wall of ventricle show the impulse for contraction as well as relaxation. So these fibers, you remember, these fibers are called as Purkinje fibers. So this is the actual position of nodal tissue. In short, one time you revise SA node. SA node is located in upper right corner of the right auricle. AV node or atrioventricular node is situated in the lower left corner of right auricle. Exactly, it is located upon the transverse septum. From this AV node, one bundle comes out or crosses the transverse septum. That bundle is called atrioventricular bundle. This atrioventricular bundle immediately exactly on the top of the interventricular septum divided into two, that is left AV bundle, right AV bundle, and from these AV bundles again the Purkinje fibers are developed, which are responsible for the impulse of contraction or diastolic and systolic waves we later study in electrocardiograph and cardiac cycles. So it developed in ventricular musculature with the help of Purkinje fiber, and as in the same session previously we studied, both the right as well as left AV bundle plus Purkinje fiber are combined to called as bundle of His. So students, this is mainly, you remember, you can go through this diagram, the simplest explanation for the nodal tissue, and this is the all about nodal tissue. In next session we again continue with the first we study about the double circulation, and then we come towards the cardiac cycles in human being, that how does the cardiac cycle in human being is operated. So one time you again go through the nodal tissue, because this is one of the most important part for your upcoming NEET examination. Position of pacemaker you remember very well. Secondly, the students who are new, they kindly subscribe my channel, go to the previous videos, and if you have any doubts and queries, so please freely ask those doubts and queries, because this is your exam. I am only here to help you and boost your preparation for your upcoming NEET examination. Okay, so by that time when new session is come, stay motivated, stay blessed, and stay hydrated.